Hello, and welcome to this PHIDU tutorial where we will cover how to find a suburb or locality and view its data in the Social Health Atlas of Australia. To begin with, we will briefly review the geographic structures used by PHIDU. PHIDU uses the Australian Statistical Geography Standard, the ASGS, as defined by the Australian Bureau of Statistics. The ABS has a set of areas based on suburbs in urban areas and on towns and localities in regional and remote areas. These are called Statistical Areas Level 2. PHIDU publishes data by population health areas, PHAs, which are comprised of a combination of whole SA2s and multiple aggregates of SA2s. You can easily find which PHA a suburb or locality falls within and view data for over 750 indicators relating to health and the social determinants of health for that area. To do this, access our website at the highlighted web address, hover over Help and Information in the ribbon, and from the drop-down menu, select About Our Data. Then click on Geographic Structures. Here you can read further about all the geographic structures that PHIDU uses, including PHAs. Open the Population Health Areas slider and click on the Suburb to PHA correspondence file. The correspondence file will appear on the web page as a download. It can also be accessed from the download folder in your computer's file explorer. Open the workbook. Following the instructions, click the 2016 Suburb to PHA worksheet link. This is a full list of all suburbs and localities and postcodes in Australia with their corresponding PHA. This list also details the percentage area that a suburb or locality falls within a PHA, with approximately 90% of all suburbs and localities falling within one PHA. From the drop-down list in the state header, uncheck the Select All checkbox to deselect all states and territories. From here, you can select the required states or territories. Next, select the drop-down list for suburb. Uncheck the Select All checkbox to deselect all suburbs or localities. Then select the suburbs or localities of interest and click OK. You can also use the search box to find a suburb or locality. Here I'm adding an additional suburb to my selection by using the search function in the suburb drop-down menu and then checking the Add Current Selection to Filter checkbox. Once you're happy with your selection, note the PHA names. Please note, some states or territories have more than one suburb with the same name. These have been differentiated by putting their postcodes in brackets after the name. You can see data relating to the PHAs of interest by navigating to the PHIDU website. Hover over Social Health Atlases in the ribbon and select Maps from the drop-down menu. From the Maps landing page, open the Population Health Areas slider. Regardless of the chosen geography, there are three types of maps available. The single map that shows all indicators, the double map that allows you to select two indicators and view correlations, and the area profile which allows you to compare indicators to the national average. If your chosen PHAs span multiple states or territories, select the Australia map. However, if your PHAs are located in one state or territory, you can select that map, in this case South Australia. In the Name a Population Health Area of Residence pane, select the PHAs of interest. Once the selection is made, the areas will be highlighted in the map, and in the case of the single map, the areas will be highlighted in the bar chart. You can explore the data for the areas selected by clicking the Select Data drop-down menu and selecting an indicator of interest. The map is supported by a data workbook that contains all available data regardless of the displayed indicator. To access the data workbook, click the Link to Data button. A data workbook will appear on the web page as a download. It can also be accessed from the download folder in your computer's file explorer. Open the data workbook and from the home page, click the Contents link. From here, you view the data which is arranged by topic and indicators. Once you know which topics and indicators you're interested in, click the hyperlink title of the first topic of interest to access its data. To access a tutorial on how to build a data profile of an area or group of areas, click the link on the screen now. This concludes the tutorial. Any further questions or queries can be directed to us at PHIDU at the following email address: phidu@tua.edu.au. Thank you for watching.